What's up, guys? JT over at Team FAS Motorsports, and today we're going to be going over our November 2022 giveaway. But before we get into that, you guys can go ahead and subscribe to the channel. That is going to be how your entry is done for the video, as well as a link below in the description. This month, our giveaway is going to be for a remote start kit from Trinity Racing. They make kits for Polaris, Can-Am, Yamaha, Kawasaki, Honda, the Kubotas, a variety of different machines on the market. Really nice kit. We've had one on our Ranger for the last 2 years. It's real nice when you get to the shop, just to go ahead and fire the vehicle up remotely, let it warm up. Kits again from Dirty Teeth Racing. They are for sale on our website, but hopefully maybe you'll win one this month on our giveaway. So again, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, click the link in the description, sign up for the giveaway. It's totally free. There's no obligation to purchase anything off the web store. This is a free giveaway sponsored by Dirty Teeth Racing. So good luck. We appreciate the support, and we'll catch you December 1st when we pull the winner. Thank you.